No, it's not.
Attracting little pranksters who love bullying nice guys.
Two birds suddenly appear.
This guy's got a full-on park on my roof. I hope he's got good insurance.
Andiamo. Non le lasci stare. Capre. Ballo.
Oh! No! Stop it!
You know, she's the boss of this whole neighborhood. Like, that chunky boy isn't allowed to work is not optional.
I don't know. You get the whole. Oh.
There are tons of ways to show love, and these guys really nailed it their own way.
It's a big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even.
I bet this one's about to lead a very tiny, very adorable revolution.
Hey, Trooper. Trooper, where you at? Come here, Trooper. Do you want a treat? For her treat? Where's he going? Well, he heard you. Here he goes. He heard you. He heard you.
Not lazy, he's got the most efficient way to travel.
Yeah. No. They're worse than the big one, dude.
Turkeys are known to escort slow-moving vehicles out of their territory.
The puppy is already on her second lap to the park. Hurry up, human.
Scar. Okay, outside. Take it outside.
Take notes, guys. This is the only thing a alligator bites gently.
Go, Kylie, go. Good job, Kylie. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Wow, look at her go.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
Sit. Stay. Stay. Stay, kid. Here. Here.
Thank you.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today we'll see the toughest police dogs showing their other side when they're off duty.
Cats are proof that the multiverse exists, and they live rent-free in all of them.
I bet the raccoon definitely watched Mission Impossible before this.
Those hands look like they're spilling the hottest tea ever.
And I love her, but I love her, but she is an attention whore.
Action movies than others. The spirit of a dolphin, but the coordination of a blender, so splashy.
All right, let's see those pearly whites.
I'm
a piranha. They're in the Amazon.
Hi! You gotta come here! Susie! Come here! Susie! Susie, come here!
Why do you look like a full-blown human? Are you serious? Are you serious right now?
Pra lá.
Yeah,
Oh, he's biting me.
Behold underwater circus! Give that fish a tiny unicycle and a top hat.
Look in your window, Bros.
Introduce himself.
That goose is currently filing a formal complaint with the laundry department. Toys, now!
Always coming around this way.
Friendship loading. 50% chance of success.
If I'm suffering, everyone's suffering. Fair enough. He carries sticks. They carry chaos.
Spin. No. Maverick. Hey. Hey.
The cat treasure hunt has begun, with no ending in sight.
Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Release.
It's okay.
You got a cage? No. I think Kiki's just gonna hold him in the cage car.
He's so cute.
What do you say? Shut up!
The King of Chill has claimed his throne.
You're super cute. Okay. I love you.
Go, go.
Careful, I told you.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Put that deadline on hold and enjoy a compilation that's guaranteed to melt your heart.
Kind of a vibe.
Watch that one flap on the side. Oh!
Investigation. Come here. Mira, mira, allá, allá. Mi dedo.
Told you to take swimming lessons, Gary. This is the 3rd time this week.
¡No, que escapa!
What are we doing back there? The turkey. Out. Sorry. Out. Ah, así. Sorry. Yes. Yes, good boy.
You can't hide anything from Amal. Are you snacking without him?
Without the camera, we'd never have caught the real thief in 4K.
I love to get in sparkly dresses.
Sure. Stop. There you go. I thought you were going to stop on me since I got the camera out.
This is what happens when a Belgian dog gets 1% bored.
Train for discipline, powered by appetite. Malinois logic, if unattended, it's community property.
Oh my goodness, Rover. You're so cute. Why did you grow up? I just put you down for a nap and now your ears are up. Hi there, friend. Hi there, beautiful.
Oh my goodness. Ouch! Nay! Nay. I didn't ask for back talk.
Oh, good boy.
When an animal shows affection, it can be so elegant that it may shock you.
Good boy.
It's a god alpaca.
The newest member of the K9 unit looks a bit different, but he's got the spirit.
Look at those teeth. Oh, he's actually going to block us. He's no blood, right?
She didn't choose the royal life. The royal life chose her.
Okay. Yep. Yes, we're...
No. Sono i voli!
Forget Cinderella. This Chihuahua is living her best princess life.
Garbage can. Please?
This right here is every dog parent's motivation.
Ay, kailangan. Ay, Mama! Nine.
Proof that some dogs clearly watched more what my dog does when I'm doing all the chores.
You are not going back outside.
What's wrong? You can come down. You can come down.
Never changes.
Принцесс! Не желаете покушать? Привет.
This little guy's not running away. He's just coaching the officers on their cardio. Legend has it, he's still running to this day. The most adorable police escort in history. I hope the officers will get paid more. The pigeon is definitely going to tell his grandkids about this incident.
Ready? You go! Yeah, baby! You ready? Clumsy? You ready? Yeah, baby!
The sloth's like, hey, I was halfway through my 3-day commute. Put me back. Why does this place look so weird? I definitely need to dig deeper.
Did you fall asleep?
Yeah, he's out.
Some dogs see a problem. Odie sees a challenge.
If those shoes leave without me, I'm calling PETA. He's serious.
Come on over here.
Despracar Campo Verde ya en estos momentos.
It is a goat. It's a baby goat.
Welcome back to Where Fur Meets Funny. Today, get ready for the most hilarious moments between the police and the animals.
Oh, hold on. Don't panic. Oh, okay.
Замни. Вот рожа, блин.
If you have ever wondered why there are no bird golfers, this is why.
What are you doing?
Receiving a 5G signal from a treat bag opened 3 neighborhoods away.
Mountain dogs sure just want to play, but it seems like bears that don't realize it. Anyway, he can come back and be a friend later.
Just a tiny criminal catcher in the making. Way to go, lil hero.
Hey, where do you live?
Even.
This cat makes less sense the longer you look at him.
Bro's not digging a hole, he's planning an underground civilization.
Why y'all still on me, bro? Get away! Get away!
Wait for me, I got little
Oh well, it really took the entire precinct to catch one piglet.
He's being surprisingly polite about this.
Yes, bro. What?
It's contemplating.
Give me, 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 give me.
Back. Move your nose.
Can't do that to dog.
Little goat guy, hey, look at this. Look how cool this car is. Get in the car. Yeah.
What are you doing?
Love you, puppy. Yeah.
Kiss, on travaille? Oui, bébé, on travaille.
Oh, hier, Pfeifenerna. Na, wieder auf der Suche nach einer Schlägerei? Sieh zu, Junge, sonst ist ja ratzfatz zappenduster.
Look at this, folks. I assume the water is losing, clearly.
Doggo turned a construction site into a no-phone zone.